Today we are going to build 3 parallel circuits. First, you start by putting the batteries into the battery holders so that the positive ends are that way, and so that the positive is connected to the negative of the other battery. Then you put the clips in so that the current can flow out of the battery easily. After you do that, you take the wires and you hook them up, or you hook the 2 batteries together. Then you take a wire and hook it up to the knife switch with your flat-bladed screwdriver. So you have to put a loop in the wire and hook it around the screw terminal, and then you tighten it. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Then you hook it up to the battery. Next, we are going to add the galvanometer, which consists of the base, the coil, the pointer, and the electroscale card. So, what you have to do is hook up the looped end of the wire to the negative terminal through the knife switch. So, you make a loop and hook it on the end of the knife switch, or on the other terminal, and then you just tighten it up against it. And then the galvanometer is supposed to be facing or turning counterclockwise, which it is. And then you take the electroscale card and you put it in there, like that. And then you put the pointer on so that it's facing 0. In the next step, we are going to connect the 2 light bulbs. So, I'm going to have to take this wire and also connect it to the knife switch, along with the galvanometer wire. So what I'm going to do is twist this wire and loop this wire also. And then I'm going to twist the galvanometer wire slightly in with it, the other wire, so that they stay connected. Then I'm just going to put that onto the knife switch. Like that. And then tighten it back up. Next, I'm going to connect the galvanometer to the switch. So you also loop that end of the wire, put it on, and then tighten it. Next, you put in the electroscale card, which looks like that. Has all the numbers on it. Then you connect one of the light bulb holders to this wire. Then you take this light bulb holder and hook it up to the other side of the galvanometer, like that. Next, you hook up this wire to that terminal and the opposite terminal as the galvanometer. The last step is you hook the final wire up, like that. Next, you have to make sure that the pointer is at 0, which it is, and now you flip the switch. And as you can see, it goes to the left, and both of the light bulbs are lit up. That one and that one are both lit up, and they're about the same. And now, we will see how much current is flowing through the circuit.
Hey, was that our bell?
Looks like it's going to be around 30, but we'll just have to wait to make sure. It ended up being about 27.